Hello everyone, in this video I will show you something different. In our last video we have show you guys how to show the tags list or how to retrieve the tags from server and show on our mini app. Now this video we are going to complete a task. Like when user click start, like user a task. Think about a task. The task is something like join our Telegram group. Now when the user click on the start, then he will be he will be navigated on our Telegram group, and when he joined and come back he can claim it. That is a simple logic. But if we want to validate is that user really joined on our Telegram group or no, if that user is not joined, then I am not want to give him the reward. Then they have something different, they have something more complex something, and I need to deal with more complex some information or similar kind of thing. Now there have a bot API. So if you want to validate is that user really complete the task or no, so you can, no problem. But I am not show you on this video how you can do that. So in this video I just want to show you how to complete a task. Now in our API they have something like is complete or false. So you can in case you maybe understand, we are doing something, we will do something with the start button. So I just make make a need a object, and here I call item, sorry, tags, and the tags have something like is complete. If that is complete is true, if that is true, and there have the item, okay. Now if that is true, then that is completed, completed or done, 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 okay, completed or done, that is done. User cannot do that task anymore. So here what I need to do, I need something like that should be a check mark, okay, that should be a check mark, like check. I just need this check circle. So when if the user already done the task, I just show this. Great. Now you can see here there have the tags that, and that is completed. Okay, now I just make it Excel. That is not, I am talking about this. So I just need that py is 3 and the px is about 6. It's about 6, or is true, and that should be 8. This time that's not looking good, not looking good. Okay, now I guess this time it's looking better. Now when user click on this start, what happened? So I just close all other API and I make a API, and here have something like Redux. They have API auth, and they have the tax info. Here I just copy that previous API and paste here, and I make a tag. If you don't know what is tag, then you don't have ability to use that RTK. So I just use tag, not here, tag, tag types. Great. Now here I just know here I just need add tags. So I just provide that provide tags, and there is a tags, and here there is mutation, there is a mutation, and I just change it to complete tags, and here I need to check it like invalidate tag, and there is tags. Okay, there is post, there is a post request, and I am getting an argument, there is an argument, and here I just need to pass the body. So the body is like the argument. Now I couldn't copy that, and here I want to take it at mutation, copy, and then I will trigger it. Okay, so I just trigger when user click start. Then what happened? Now I need to make the logic. So when you, okay, I guess I am not changed the path, API path. So that is tags info. Yeah, I am not changed the API path. There's post map complete tags, and that path is complete tags. Simply the path is complete tags. Okay, now what I want, when user click on this start button, this time that will be trigger something like a constant or a variable, that is handle tags, and that handle tags take nothing. Okay, that handle tags take a ID, and that ID is a string, and then that will be show. Okay, now there have a, I need to declare a constant, there is a loading, the loading, set loading, then use state, the use state value is false. Now when user click that button, the set loading should be true, it should be true, and here have a set timeout, and the timeout will take something like set the loading as false after how much time? After 3 seconds. Okay, that 3 seconds is not visible, so I just make it 10 seconds, then 10,000 millisecond. Now when the user click on this button, and then here I just move him web app dot open link. Okay, web app dot, here I need to do, need a condition like if the tags, then item, then category, not only the category, the type is equal the, I guess that is category, that is category is equal telegram, then please web app, call the web app and open telegram link, and the link is the tags dot item dot href. And if there is not a telegram link like tags, then go tags dot, then go web app dot open link, then tags item, okay, tags item dot item dot href. Okay, great. Now I need to call that handle tags. One click, and there have a ID, then the ID is tags dot, then item, then underscore ID, and that is the string. Okay, now here I need to make another thing, that is I need another use state. I need another use state, that is click is click, and the state is set click. Now the ID, okay, now what I need to do, I just need like when user click on that start, the loading will be started, and then that will be navigate him on the Telegram link or anything something any other place. Then the loading will be automatically off after 10 seconds, and then is click set is click will be called. Set click will be called, and that will be true. And then I need a logic here. So the logic is simple. If now the logic is more simple. If is loading, if the loading if that loading is equal true, if that loading is equal true, then you just call this above. Okay, you just you can call that. And if that is false, then also you can call that. But if that is false, then you need to check another thing, that is click. If that is click is true, then you can call that. And if that is false, then you just show a default start. Now the logic is when user click start, then where is this click? If the user is click on the start button, then the loading will be there. I need to show the loading. So there in the Daisy UI there have something like loading that is more complicated. Okay, I need this loading, dot loading. So I need to show that dot loading. Okay, then okay, I just make it like that. If that is okay, now logic is if that is completed mark is true, then please show it. And if that is false, then check if is loading is true or false. If that is true, then show loading. If that is false, then check is click is true or false. If that is click is true, then please here I need to call the API, that is trigger, and the trigger have something like completed task, and that completed task have I need to pass a body. That is tax ID. Okay, tax ID, and that is claim. That should be claim. And if that is if that not, then show the default start button. Then I just refresh that page and go on the start, and you can see that is example. Okay, that is loading for 10 seconds, and there have claim button. If I click on this claim, a API called, and that mark as true. Then if you want to add the boot check or check is that user is really join or something else, then you can. That is you can. Okay, we are successfully integrated our API. So we are successfully completed tasks from our mini app. So in our tags page, I guess everything is complete. Instant some information like the your rewards is not correct, and then there have something more like friends. In that friends page, I will check is that user there have a friend invite mission, like invite 10 friend, 20 friend, 30 friend, this kind of something. So in case when that complete a task call, then I need to check how much friend he invited or this kind of something. Then I will distribute the reward. So if there have anything that I have the ability to validate he does that thing, then I will do that. And if there have anything then where I don't have ability to check he does that task or really as well, I am instruct him or something else, then I cannot check that. And there have special have something like collaboration, partnership, or this kind of something. So I will add here the best practice condition, because that is not a best practice thing. If I am come back after 2 or 3 hours, then I cannot recall that what I am writing. So I just write the best practice. Okay, I have asked ChatGPT for the best practice, and ChatGPT give me a function, that is the thing. So I guess that is also working, and that is a best practice, because now it's look clean. If you I guess I'm share you that code, so take it and goodbye.